Everyone, this is Natalia, and I'll be trying to do screencast for those of you who can attend the tutorials, or for those of you that attended but got lost at one point. I'm going to try to make them very specific, like how to create a function, how to create an array, so that if you at any point you have any questions on any of these particular topics, then you can just go to Sakai or Canvas and then find the particular screencast that applies to your problem. So the first thing that I want you to do is to create a folder for this class. What this is going to allow us to do is to have folders for all of our projects and then save our functions in each of these folders. This is very important because only the M files that are in the folder you're at right now are going to be usable in your code. So I'm just going to create a new folder. Well, let me rename it. Okay. And now it's just going to be Matlab 305. And then another thing is that you should create a folder for each of the projects. So for now, I'm just going to call this tutorial 101. And then when we work on the project, there should be one folder just for project 1. So now we're going to open our Matlab. And the first thing that you should always do is make sure that your path is at the folder you're working with. So for example, mine right now, it's in my documents and my Matlab examples, which is not where we are right now. So what you should do is go to your folder, in my case, that Matlab 305 tutorial 1, and then just open it. To do that, as you saw before, you just click on this folder with the arrow, and this should be able to get you to the folder you want. So now that we are in the right path, for those of you who didn't go tutorial, I'm just going to show you real quick what Matlab is composed of. So first of all, we have the command window. In the command window, you're going to be able to execute each one of your commands right away. So for example, if I just do 2 plus 3, I'll execute that command right away and I get an answer right away. Anything that is not saved to a variable is just going to be saved in the automatic variable called answer, or ANS. All of your variables are going to be saved here in the workspace. And all of your everything that you execute is going to be in your command window, and then here on this side are going to be all the functions and all the M files that are in this particular folder. So right now we don't have anything, which is fine. Something that is very important to do, and I think you should be consistent with this, is to clear, to learn the clear all function. So what this does is this deletes everything you have in your workspace. Normally, when I start coding in a script, on a live script, the first command that I type is CLC, which is going to clear my command window, and then clear all, which is going to get rid, as I said, of all the variables stored in a workspace. Now, the command window executes everything right away, but sometimes you just want to create a series of lines of code for Matlab to run and edit them as you go without having them run live, like at the particular moment. So then to do that, you do a script. To do that, to create a script, you just go to home and click on new script. I think for now, this should be it. So as a recap, we decided that it's very good practice to create a folder and to have all of your projects in a separate folder. We learned that it is important that you know in which path you're at or what folder you're working in, so that all of your functions and all of your M files are stored in the same folder. To access that, you just click on this button and then you browse wherever your folder is. We learn how to create a script just by going new script. We learn where all of our variables go, where our command window is, and then that should be it for our 101. I'm going to try to make all these videos short like this so that you can just skip the ones you don't want to listen to. And okay, so thank you guys, and I will talk to you on our next screencast.